What's up, internet? Today we're showing you this beautiful black Bongo Friendee. It's a 1997. Let's go straight to the motor and I'll show you around. This is a 2.5 liter turbo diesel. Making something like, I think 130 horsepower, but it's a solid, smooth, reliable setup. Let me pop this down. These are really big in England, super popular, tons of aftermarket support in the UK, as well as very popular in Japan, especially this model, the slick top here. A lot of people like to go for the camper style, but sometimes all you need is just a little bit of space for your friends. In the back here, we've got third row seat, second row seat. Second row seat folds down for a nice table. And then if you want to have a party, we can bring this front seat forward. And doubling as a footrest for these passengers, you also have this as a seat. And there you go, there's a chair. So sitting in the seat, facing backwards is nice. Play some cards, have some drinks. This one's got a nice light bar up here, as well as full climate. All controlled on the side here. The power shades. Drop this down. There you go. Nice little party van for hanging out. As well, you can also flip these all the way flat, and it makes a bed as well if you want to lay completely flat. This one all the way forward, this one linked to that makes a nice bed, and then that one goes down as well. You can actually put it out the tailgate with it open. I'll show you that. Right on, right on. That is a nice bed. Plenty of space for friends. As well as you can put the seats fully forward, bumped into each other. The back seat can fold over as well, sort of like the table. Probably enough room in here to maybe even fit like a, I don't know, a stroller, maybe a small motorcycle, who knows. Let's go up into the dash here. Plenty of space and storage here. This is a mid-engine vehicle. The engine is sitting underneath this whole area here. Automatic. Full climate control with auto. It is blowing very cold AC at the moment. And this one's running in at just about 97,000 kilometers, very young. Yeah. Close her up and get another look at the outside. It's got an auto closed door here. Very nice. Doesn't that look comfortable there? got the spoiler up top as well. Nice set of alloy wheels on there. Really nice graphics. Real quick, super clean unit. All right, I'll take it around the block real quick. This is a very smooth car, super easy to hop in and out of. This would be an excellent daily commuter or a long haul cruiser. Super smooth. That big old speed bump like nothing. Yeah, this one currently has this cute little speaker, Panasonic. I believe it's mini disc as well. Pretty cool. Busy today. And there it is. That's the Mazda Bongo Friendee. Plenty of power. All right. Thanks for watching. Give us a like or a comment. Anything helps down there. Let us know what you think is cool, and we'll get a video of it up for you. Cheers.